Why this name?
There was a short story, a life incident, and then I came up with this name.
एक रात आप बनारस में थे तो आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ?
मेरे शो के बाद हंसी घाट गए एंड बहुत सुकून था वहाँ पे.
कुछ बनारसी ट्राई किया खाने में?
एक डिश ट्राई किया, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम.
Did you try malayo?
Malayo, no, I don't
Did you
know.
try palang tod?
No.
La. How was your event in BHU?
It was amazing.
I know, I saw the video.
Yeah, so when I started the event, it was like an auditorium and people were sitting on the chairs and I was like very nervous.
How did it feel to go from India to international labels?
So yeah, my first label I signed was Warner Music Denmark with my friend Playfields.
पहला आपका सॉन्ग जो आपको लगा कि this song is magic.
All the tracks is like special to me.
Are you a morning person or night?
I'm night person.
Headphones or speaker?
Headphones.
First song in your daily playlist?
Nothing else matters.
One song you are not tired of playing?
My track Turn Back Time.
Bollywood or EDM?
EDM.
Crowd cheer or silent nod?
Both.
Both. Favorite decade of music? Any genre or decade? 70s, 80s, 90s?
Classic rock.
Har Har Mahadev.
Oh, I miss that.
Hi Neil.
Hello, how are you?
Should I call you On Edge or Neil?
You can call me On Edge.
Why this name?
Why? Because there was a short story, a life incident, and then I came up with this name. But I don't want to disclose it right now.
All right.
Maybe some other time.
All right.
Yes.
I have this college days.
Okay.
I'm pretty way past, I think, dinosaur age.
Oh.
I am 42. So at college days, there was this song by Creed. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking that's the edge. When I heard about On Edge,
Okay.
I was like, maybe, he does DJing, he's into Tomorrowland. Maybe, that edge thing has come up from there. I'm just guessing.
No, completely wrong. And no, I have not played for Tomorrowland. But
Okay.
soon, I wish to be there soon.
All right,
Yes.
all right. Okay, all right. I said you are into Tomorrowland because
Yeah,
your music.
my music is- yes.
Yes.
So I'm into electronic music, EDM, and mainstream music.
Yes.
So yeah, you can say that. That's the whole culture.
Okay. So we would like a little introduction about yourself.
My real name is Neil Criado, and I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
All right.
Yes, and I've been traveling all over India for my shows, and I'm loving it.
You're a Marathi.
No, I'm Catholic.
You're Catholic.
Yes.
I want to know about your connection with Hardwell and Revealed Recordings.
Okay, so me and my friend Kasdan, we made a music, and there were more two other artists involved in the. So we gave a try for Reveal, and after a month we got an email saying this track has been selected, and
Wow.
it was a very a goosebumps moment for me. And so then it took after signing it took us 7 or 8 months for the release date.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the song was released and we got a very good hype. I got a very good exposure on that. So the song has been playing all over world in on radio channels.
Yes, we know that.
Yeah. Because my Hindi उतना शुद्ध नहीं है.
Good.
Okay.
ठीक है, because we have बनारस audience.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा सा हिंदी बनता है.
Okay, चलिए
ठीक है.
करेंगे.
इनकी हिंदी थोड़ी सी कॉमेडी होगी, but we'll enjoy it of course. All right. On Edge, one important thing we wanted to know about, because Banaras is प्राचीन city है. So everything here is ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, very slow, very very slow. Mumbai is very fast, just like your DJing. So आपको कुछ समझ में आया, मतलब एक रात आप बनारस में थे तो आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ डिफरेंस?
ऑनेस्टली मेरे शो के बाद हम हंसी घाट गए एंड it was like very relaxing. बहुत सुकून था वहाँ पे.
Ah.
So हम like एक दो घंटे के लिए वहाँ टाइम बिताए. Had a good time there. Yeah.
We missed it. Ashish told us
Yes.
कि मिलने का मौका है, रात को मिला जाएगा. I'm like, मेरा बच्चा नींद में, I'm very tired, I have to sleep. So आपको सुकून महसूस हुआ. That means peace. So,
Very peaceful, very peaceful.
We totally agree on that. कि बनारस का at least घाट तो is very peaceful. This was your first visit in Varanasi?
No, this was my second visit.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so when was your last visit?
I guess it was a one month back.
Oh, IIT वालों ने बुलाया. IMS nursing
yeah.
वालों ने बुलाया था. Oh, बनारस में ऑनेज is in demand.
Yeah. Hoping to do more shows in Banaras.
All right, all right. अच्छा, कुछ बनारसी ट्राई किया खाने में?
एक डिश ट्राई किया. I forgot the name. Sakoda. Yeah.
Oh, you have tried that?
I tried Sakoda. It's amazing, like amazing.
Wow.
And then I tried Pelwan Lassi.
Wow.
Yes.
Did you try Malayo?
Malayo, no. I don't
Did
know.
you try Palang Tod?
No.
ले पलंग तोड़ने का क्या किया?
कुछ नहीं किया. इन्होंने घुमाया नहीं मुझे.
राम भंडार की कचौड़ी,
Yes.
ब्लू लस्सी की लस्सी,
No.
और वो चाय, कुल्हड़ वाली चाय
कुल्हड़ वाली चाय की. Then
Good.
छोले समोसा.
किया.
Yes.
हींग वाली कचौड़ी,
हिंग वाली नहीं.
बटर टोस्ट विद चाय.
इतना टाइम नहीं मिला.
उफ, वो बहुत कुछ करना है. चाट, टमाटर चाट,
Yes.
टिकिया चाट.
Yes.
Okay, कुछ तो किया है. And we have lot and lot in the list.
Yeah.
So next time when you come, don't contact them, contact me.
I'm gonna call
And,
you straight away. Yes. You are my host for next.
Oh, sure. Also, we have very beautiful walking tours. It's about Banaras heritage,
Okay.
and we could take you for that also.
Amazing. That would
Because
be great.
it is crazy, even we don't know about it.
Right.
There are so many things, history, legends, but normal लोगों को भी नहीं पता होता. That needs to be known. It's very nice.
Amazing. I would love to do that.
Also, आज Valentine's Day है and you are rushing to airport. तो कुछ खास बात?
कुछ खास बात तो नहीं है. Like
कुछ तो?
not so lucky, I would say.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah.
This is luck.
Yes.
Any other program today?
Today, no. I'm just gonna go home and crash.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, sleepless night and everything. And how was your event in BHU?
It was amazing.
I know, I saw the
amazing.
video.
Yeah, so when I started the event, it was like an auditorium and people were sitting on the chairs, and I was like very nervous. Like,
What
like
is wrong with people?
No,
I'm a
no.
DJ and people are
Yeah,
acting like I'm a Sufi singer.
It was like I'm just giving an audition for some like a talent show.
Wow.
Yeah, like people are sitting and I've gone on my console and about to start and I played my intro, my first draw. People were like just still over there, and like that made me feel really like I'm at the audition for this thing for talent show.
Har har
Mahadev. Oh, I miss that.
And then what happened? How did they got on their feet?
And then when I started, then the magic was in the air.
Ah, yes, we know that magic.
Yes.
All right. So you like performing here in Banaras?
Yes. The audience were amazing, very supportive, very.
Wow. Good. And the audience were young, very young
Yes.
crowd. So, I wanted to know about your experience. This is, out of all this context. First time when you performed on stage, what happened? You felt here, you felt on your legs, feet, or you wanted to crash, or you wanted to cry?
So first time, like I would say, when I did my open show, like I started with clubs, not even clubs. I started with private parties.
Wow.
Yes, I was like an assistant. Like we should travel in tempo
Oh,
with
wow.
a sound,
Oh.
and then I wanted to learn more. Then I joined an academy. So then after that, I started with the clubs and all. Like then I started putting up my own events.
Oh.
Yeah. So when I got back to stage, like when I came to stage, so there was like around, I would say, thousand people. Yeah. I was very nervous. So like from the green room when I was approaching towards the stage, people were like just chanting my name, and I was feeling very like this thing, very nervous. So yeah, when I came on stage, I pressed play button, and then everything was magic then.
Wow. Everything got numb and it was
Yes.
all on edge on the beats. Because we have a lot of fan here, your fan. So we would like one question from each of your fans.
Sure.
Can we take it?
Yes.
So Rohini ma'am's question is, how did it feel to go from India to international labels?
So yeah, my first label I signed was Warner Music Denmark with my friend Playfields. Yeah, the track name is OU.
Oh, you.
Yeah, and we both are like first Indian to sign on Warner Music Denmark.
Wow, what an achievement. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. In the background. Awesome. पहला आपका song जो आपको लगा कि this song is magic. I have created magic. Masterpiece.
I would say all the tracks is like special to me
I am.
because all the tracks has given me something.
Any particular track you want to play all the time for everyone?
That would be Turn Back Time.
Turn back time.
Yes.
All right, all right. आशीष जी आप भी कुछ बताइए सर के लिए सवाल. आपका एज क्या और आपकी कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड है?
अगर मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बोलूँ तो एक मेरी होने वाली गर्लफ्रेंड एक वीडियो देखेगी वो मार डालेगी. आई थिंक यू गॉट माय आंसर.
तो आपका नेक्स्ट कमिंग अपने इवेंट्स के बारे में बताएंगे सो दैट वी कैन डिस्प्ले ऑल योर इवेंट्स ऑन आवर मीडिया.
Next, I have few more college fests lined up, and again, I'm coming in Banaras on 1st
First of March.
March. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a holy event.
Wow. All right. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. So a lot of college fest coming up. There's another holy event in Varanasi where we'll see Onage again, and we are going to send links in the description. Okay. One last question, Onage. You think you have become that powerful, or you want to grow even more? Not in terms of your music. Obviously, it is like that learning process will go on all throughout your life. Somewhere in the mind you are settled now. This is my time. ऐसा कुछ लगा आपको या कुछ अभी wait कर रहे हैं आप?
नहीं सब तो लगा नहीं है और like I want to do more big.
Okay.
Yes.
So you want to go more big.
Yeah. I feel like this is nothing. What I've achieved.
For us, it is too much, but yes, because he's a humble man, he wants to grow more, and we also want to see you bigger and bigger with a bigger podcast set.
Thank you
With
so much.
so we are going to meet again in few years.
Yeah, definitely. Maybe months you're taking me for.
Yeah, that तो नहीं.
Yes.
अरे वो तो एकदम done है. No, about this podcast
Yes.
thing, okay? One last thing, any message for Banarsis? कोई particular आप music आप सुने जिससे थोड़ा बनारसी लोगों को भी they get elevated with all the international music. Anything you want to share with them?
So yeah, so I'm planning a music with like not like a Bollywood song or something like an indie song.
Okay.
Yes, so that's going on. So hope like वो जब release हो, like even Banarasi people would love that track.
Oh wow! Start off with rapid fire.
Okay.
It will be very quick. Are you a morning person or night?
I'm night person.
Headphones or speaker?
Headphones.
First song in your daily playlist?
Nothing else matters.
One song you are not tired of playing?
My track Turn Back Time.
Bollywood or EDM?
EDM.
Crowd cheer or silent nods?
Both.
Both. Favorite decade of music? Any genre or decade? 70s, 80s, 90s?
Classic rock.
Classic rock. Okay. Song that describes your personality?
Not yet figured.
Not yet figured. That's not a song. He is just not figured. Tea, coffee, or any energy drink?
Tea, coffee.
Tea, coffee. Best city to DJ to play. Best city for you to play. The best city that you liked abhi tak.
I would say Bangalore, Hyderabad.
Vinyl or digital?
Digital.
Song that always make you smile?
Old song, old classic EDMs.
Okay. After party or straight to bed?
Straight to bed.
Quick mix or long transitions?
quick mix.
Dream artist to collaborate with?
Dream artist, maybe David Guetta.
David Guetta. Bass heavy or melody heavy?
It's bass.
Bass, sorry.
Yes,
Bass heavy or melody heavy?
melody heavy.
Okay. One genre you secretly enjoy? Secretly, okay.
Basically, English love songs.
Wow.
Yes.
Which one?
You're catching me.
Which one?
Words by Ronan Keating.
Words and never
Yes.
sing words.
Oh,
I'm not a good singer.
I'm surprised you know that song.
Yes. That's why I like you, you know. I was in, no, let's not. If not a DJ, then what?
Maybe a marketing guy or in some, पता नहीं कोई.
DJ ठीक है. DJ ठीक है. Can you tell me name of a girl who you like?
Not on camera. There is one.
Oh, there is one. Okay, हाँ, tell her mother's name. Or where she lives.
My mom's name.
No, her
Oh, no.
mother.
No.
Where she lives. Does she know that you like her?
I guess.
You
Yes.
guess.
Yeah.
You guess. Where does she live?
You're trying to dig more hard.
Okay, sing a song for her.
I'm a bad singer.
It's okay. I'll help you.
नहीं इतना प्यार नहीं
Become more bad.
इतना प्यार नहीं है.
Oh. अनुज ये अभी नहीं बस लास्ट के 10 seconds में कुछ अपना ऐसे करके दिखा दो ना बस that's it we are done.
Put your hands up in the air.
Okay, are you a singer too?
No.
You're not.
I'm bad at singing.
No problem. Even I'm bad at singing. No problem. All right. It's nice talking to you, Neil.
Thank
On
you so much.
Edge. Next time you're going to hear the On Edge story.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.